These days we all have so much stuff and really we don't have the space to store it. You know what, having a cluttered home can not only be messy but it's really unhealthy. The truth is, in most Australian homes we have lots of space, heaps of it in fact, in your roof. This home has it, let's check it out. Wow. Who would have thought this space is actually just above our heads? It's huge. There's width, there's depth, but most of all, oh my gosh, there's so much height in here. The reason we don't really think of using our attic is because when we think of an attic, we think dark, unsafe, maybe damp and hard to get to. But once we realise the potential of it, we need to bring in the masters. Now, the Attic Group specialise in transforming spaces like this into something that's smart, safe, cost-effective and functional. So we have two options when creating attic storage. We have the basic package, which is going to give us flooring and a ladder. Today we're taking things to the next level and we're going to install dust-proof storage. In addition to flooring and a ladder, this also involves wrapping the room in an insulated white cell membrane lining, creating a spotless dust-proof environment. I actually cannot believe the transformation in this room. When we first came up here, it was dirty and dusty and smelly. I would have never stored anything up here. But now it's light, bright, the space has been used amazingly, and now we can move forward in getting our stuff up here. Now we're going to start over here. This is the one place in the attic that has a smooth surface. It has no obstacles, nothing jutting out. It's got great height and width. It is perfect for the easy build units from Howard Storage World. One of the reasons I've chosen this storage solution is because it comes in pieces. And let's be honest, we've got a narrow stairway to get everything up here. So let's get it up and let's get building. What I love about this shelving system, it is so sturdy and so easy to build. The trick is to start from the bottom up and then decide where I want to go with this. Do I want to add shelves? Do I want to add a rail? I can literally do anything with this system. I've decided to add wheels onto this easy build system so we can move it around easily. It also comes with a lock, so once I've decided where it's going to go, it's going to lock straight into place. I'm going to use these racks for our linen storage, but to keep everything safe, sound and organised, I'm going to use these quilt storage bags from Howard Storage World. They're amazing. They're going to hold things like my winter doonas, pillows, Nana's crocheted quilt. What I've decided to use for the smaller items are some rattan look baskets. Not only do they look good, but they're going to hold everything perfectly. I'm going to get a little creative here and I'm going to use an over-the-door ironing board holder which sits so snugly in place right here. Another bonus with the Easy Build system are all the optional extras, just like this canvas cover. Boots are notoriously difficult to store, so what we're going to use is a boot hanger which slides in easily into the boot and will hang up beautifully on the rail behind me. So now we've come to this side of the attic. We're facing some different challenges here like the support beams. So I've really had to have a think of how I can use this space most effectively. I've decided on using these 90-litre storage tubs from Howard Storage World. The best thing about them is that they come on wheels so they can be rolled around and they are made from virgin plastic, which makes them strong and sturdy. We're going to use these tubs to store things like memories, hand-me-downs, party wear and Christmas decorations. Even though these tubs are clear, I'm a firm believer in labelling everything and keeping all like items together. When planning this makeover, the Attic Group from the beginning said let's use all the space possible, including the eaves. Now look how well the luggage fits in this space. To think that this attic used to look like this, and now look at it. Not only have we created this amazing storage space, we have also added enormous value to this home.